years, I stumble into a home that makes me speechless. The beauty of the home literally sucks the words right out of my mouth. And this home at the base of Phoenix Mountain Preserve does just that. A year and a half ago, the owners took an already beautiful brand new house and decided to take it to the next level. And as you pull up to the home and around the large circular driveway, you immediately notice the care put into the landscaping design. The gated entry gives you an added layer of security, and everything from the lighting to the layout of the bushes and trees gives the front of the home a very polished look. And when you walk through the front door, you truly recognize how special this home is. The large open entry pulls you right into the space. The luxurious formal dining room has a beautiful stone accent wall and the most elegant light fixture from Restoration Hardware. The family room is spacious and bright. It's got a pair of sliding doors that open the space up and connects to the modern kitchen with a large quartz island wrapped on one side with butcher block. All Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances included, and you've got a built-in fridge and freezer, separate wine fridge, dual fuel Wolf range, and these unique two-tone cabinets are breathtaking. The layout is very functional, but also versatile. In addition to the 4 bedrooms, you got 2 flex spaces, one currently used as a playroom and the other a theater room. You also have an attached guest house with a separate entry from the courtyard, which is a large private bedroom and full bathroom. And the master bathroom, wow, now that's a true retreat. I've never seen a master this large, and the bathroom and closet are spa-like as well. But wait, there's more. This home sits on over 1 acre of land, which is beautifully landscaped. You've got a pool spa combo, large sitting area under the covered patio, barbecue island, gas fire pit area, and the owner added over 350 plants and trees to the property, which give it a lush and serene look and feel. So if you want to see the most beautiful home I've ever seen, then I invite you to call me Mike Delina with North & Co, and I'll show you 10425 North 37th Street in Phoenix. I think you're going to love it, and then I think you're going to buy it.